This video is a short tutorial about how to grade homework on our new learning platform at shoemath.com. So first of all, I strongly recommend you guys to have an iPad and an Apple Pencil for grading homework. So if you have right devices, the grading becomes much easier. So on iPad, you log in shoemath.com and you enter your course. For example, right now I'm in Geometry After Algebra 1, Summer 2026. So then you find the homework that you want to grade. Say homework 01, so you click homework 01, and now you have entered the homework. So you see many manual items. So you find the manual item submissions. So you click that. Now you should be able to see all the submissions. So then you click this button, grade, and you don't have to change those settings, right? So you want to apply quick grading. You don't want to download submissions in folders, okay? So you don't have to change those settings. You just directly click grade. Then as you can see, the first homework submission is opened. So now, obviously, this submission is very blurry. But anyway, right, so this submission has 2 pages. As you can see, you can use these 2 triangles, right, to switch between pages. So if I want to go to the second page, you click, then you get the second page, okay? But you don't see, so sometimes you don't see the annotation tools, right, to annotate the PDF file. And actually, so you should pay attention here, so you can somehow reveal the annotation tools right here, right? So you just need to move this up and down. See, sometimes it's hidden. So for example, in this case, I just move it up a little bit. Now you see those tools. So normally, right, so we prefer to use a free sketch. Use this tool. Now I can annotate the PDF file using my Apple Pencil. So for example, say, oh, this is correct, and this is wrong, and you can grade each problem in this way. So I want you to just check the final answer to each problem. If the problem is a computational problem. However, when you need to grade a proof problem, probably you have to read all the steps. Otherwise, you just need to check the final answer. I want you to put a check mark or a cross mark for each problem to be graded. So that way, a student knows that all his or her problems are graded. So if you want to, if you make a mistake, you want to delete your annotation, you just use this choose tool, selection tool here, right? And you click the annotation that you want to delete. Then you see this small trash can icon. You just click that icon. Now you see it's gone, right? Similarly here, you click this, you select this, and you click this trash can, okay? And you can delete your annotations this way. Unfortunately, the current platform does not have the eraser tool, so you have to select an item, then click that trash can bin to delete the item, okay? And after you finish grading, you can now input the homework grade, right? So the total score of each homework is 5. So if a student completes almost all problems correctly, right? So the student gets 5 full score. If a student makes some mistakes, not that many, right? Say maybe the student gets 80% or more problems correct, then you can give the student 4 points instead of 5. Okay. If a submission, right, has a lot of mistakes or is very late, right, late more than 1 day without excuses, okay, so then you can just input 3 points for the submission. Okay, so the minimum score for a submitted homework is 3. Okay. So, and also you want to input some feedback in this box here, all right, to the student. So if the work is well done, right, you may just input some encouragement words and praising words, right? And if you can easily see a student is weak in some aspects, right, you may want to be specific to tell the student, right, so to review the relevant topics. For example, so you see, for example, if this student does not know how to solve a linear equation in one variable to find the length of a segment, then you can just simply say, please review how to solve a linear equation, right? Things like that. Okay, try to be more specific. Okay, so if you somehow see the weakness of a student in a particular topic, you want to point that out. After you have add all the cross and check marks, and you have input the grade and the comments, then so you go, as you can see, you go to the bottom, you see this blue button here, save and show next, right? You just click that, and then you save the current grading, and you move on to the next homework submission, and you continue this way. I think that's all I want to say for now. And if you have any questions, feel free to contact with me. And you, of course, you are free to play around with this system here, so to be familiar with this system. And if you have discovered something new, right, you may want to let me know too, okay? Because I am also new to this new system, and I built this system using AI very, very recently. Okay, that's it. Okay, enjoy grading and have a nice summer.